really worried now that I've filmed so many videos in slow-mo. And if I have, don't talk to me. Hi! It's been a while. What's up? Remember me? I used to make YouTube videos semi-frequently. Yeah, it's a bit weird, I haven't done this in a while. But, I lost my job. Yeah. So that's new. A lot of people keep asking me how I'm doing, how it's only been, I think I lost it last Friday and we're on the following Thursday, so it's been less than a week. And it's weird. It's weird. I have been in some sort of job or education my whole life. Like I literally went from school to college, and college I was working, and then I moved here to the UK, had a job, went back to uni. Before I'd even finished my degree, I had taken on a job with the company that I now no longer work for, and I've worked there for the last 3 years. So this is the first time that I just have nothing going on, which is it's a new feeling. It's weird. Yeah, a lot of people have asked me how I'm doing, like what's it like, and honestly it's very weird. I was very down yesterday about it, just because let me rephrase that. There's nothing that I'm forced to do at the moment. So like there's no like job, education, anything like that. So yeah, so it's a bit weird in that sense, but I truly do believe it's a sign from the universe. I've wanted to make content for so long. I've wanted to do it, turn it into something full-time one day, because I love doing it. I love watching it. I love consuming it. I love making it. So here I am. We are currently on a Thursday in the afternoon. I have actually pulled myself together, showered, got dressed, done my skincare. What we need to do is just do a bit of cleaning. Everything is tidy, but it's not clean, which is what we need to do. There's no one in the flat, so what better time to do it? I also want to make some TikToks as well about this, kind of like take you on my journey of unemployment. I'm literally gonna have a cadenza. I have been filming a lot of cleaning clips, and they're all in slow-mo. And I know from watching previous content online, as much as I do, you can't save them. So just know I've been working hard, clean the table, clean the kitchen, and it's all in bloody slow-mo. So you know what, we're just gonna move on, because if we don't, I might cry. To speak about what I was yapping about in those videos were a defining point in my life recently was learning 2 very hard lessons. One, don't ever leave your house without your keys. And when I mean leave your house, I mean open your front door. Don't open it unless you have keys in your pocket, because you will get locked up. Like, no matter what you do. Like, even if you're standing inside, the magic demon that lives in my room will push you outside and you will be locked out. And then you'll have to spend £300 getting a locksmith in to put some cardboard through your latch. So that was a great experience, didn't need to learn it. Second of all, be careful buying things on Amazon, because we have a nice big Lululemon bag that we put all our recycling in, and we have it because we used to put it just on this table and it didn't really look nice. But I do, in fact, have a 2-compartment bin. But when I bought it, I was like, oh, 2-compartment bin, love to see it, we'll get it sorted. It arrived, it's a bin for fairies. If little tiny fairies occupied this apartment, the bin would be the perfect size. You can see it there, it's about this big. And the compartment for recycling is about this big. So that doesn't exactly work now, does it? You live and you learn. You live and you learn. Check the dimensions, folks. Learn from my mistakes. What I also mentioned was the fact that the dust accumulation in a London apartment needs to be scientifically studied, because this is not normal. It is not normal. It's frankly, it's quite scary. And the fact that that's going into my lungs really does scare me even more. But you know what scares me even more? Nature, living in the jungle, being from South Africa, you think I should be used to it? No, I'm a city boy. Me, anything flies, anything crawls out, it needs to be extinct. It needs to no longer be in contact with me ever again. So I moved to a city where there is no poisonous anything that could ever get me, and whenever they talk about snakes and wild snakes, they talk about literally things that are this big. And spiders and rain spiders, I mean the rains, but don't get me wrong, the rain spiders do appear and they do make an appearance and scare the bejesus out of me. But they're rain spiders, you know, they're friendly, they're lovely, they won't attack me. Touch wood. But yeah, that's my rant. I need to go move the washing in because I just... Also, whoever invented the notification on Apple, where you get a notification every time it's about to start raining, you're a genius. You're saving mums from running out, screaming out to come and get the washing in when it's pouring with rain. You have saved many a children from that childhood trauma. I also did the most cinematic shot ever, where I opened these doors, came out, put the washing out, you know, I was in. I was literally thought I was so cool, but alas, in slow-mo, so that didn't work, you know? Anyway, I lost my job, leave me alone. What I was talking about though, the thing I mentioned earlier about the rain notification, it's a brilliant thing because now, me who likes putting the washing outside, can just quickly run, bring it inside. I'll tell you what though, last night I was having a little nap-a-doodle-doo. I was lying there, got the notification to be like, it's gonna start raining now. And I was like, the sky's blue outside, it's definitely not gonna rain. Closed my eyes and I was like, but what if it does rain? It's gonna take forever for the clothes to dry. Let me just go get it inside. Brought it inside 5 minutes later, pissing with rain instantly afterwards. So, you know, might have lost my job, but my washing is dry. Hi guys, so since I last spoke to you, it's been a couple of days, I went back to my mom for the weekend and now we are here. I filmed some footage of Jolene where we went this morning for a quick coffee with Rachel, who is currently behind the camera. She will just giggle every now and again, she won't actually be on camera. And then we've come to the Coles drop yard, so we're just having a walk around. It's Rachel's last day of unemployment, so what we're doing is just hanging out, just going to Boots to get a few things. And yeah, just chilling really. So I'm gonna show you a little bit of Coles drop yard and we'll go from there. We already have crow's feet.
I already have crow's feet.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I didn't plan it was literally just your forehead, so I was like, okay, now I have to show you. So that was unsuccessful, but also successful. We got some nice inspiration for Italy.
I mean, well, we can't afford anything at the moment. So.
No, we're both living paycheck to paycheck right now. Where that next paycheck is coming from, I don't know.
I know.
Yeah, well, she does. Maybe I'll be coming from the same place. You don't know. I just need to take some pictures for Instagram now, and then we're gonna go home because it's fucking freezing. It's always so hard to fucking face the camera. Alright, so it's currently 6:20, something like that. 6:20? I'm actually currently just going in the car because I'm gonna go to Rachel's house now and have some dinner. I know that I saw her earlier, but she wanted to go do a spin class and I wanted a nap, so we went our separate ways to do our polar opposite tasks. So yeah. Okay, so Rachel and I have just had, well, I can say just had, probably like 2 hours ago, an hour ago, had dinner. We had meatballs made by yours truly. It was very good, 10/10. And we watched the new episode of White Lotus. What are we giving it?
8 out of 10.
Yeah, it was a bit weird. It was a bit weird.
A bit intense.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Obviously don't want to give any spoilers away, but it was a bit weird. So yeah, that was always fun. But, and then we had some tea, had some chuckles. Delicious. Also, I wanted to add, what did you think of Jolene today?
Coffee, 10 out of 10. Seating, 0 out of 10.
Yeah.
Like...
So, I said to Rachel that I think it's like their design that they just want to be like takeaway. Because there was like 4 seats there. Like, that's it.
They're like random little stools as well.
Yeah, they weren't very comfortable, but I think that's like the design of it all. So coffee was good. My pastry, my Cinnabon was really, really good. Like that shit was good. How was the rhubarb pastry?
8 out of 10. Don't Tell Dad was better, but
Don't Tell Dad's elite, isn't it?
yeah.
Because of the area, you know, the local.
And they have chairs.
Loads of chairs.
So
Yeah.
that always helps.
Yeah, but overall it was really good. The service was also really good.
I mean, you just thought
The barista was really hot.
yeah, I mean, that's always a plus.
He could roast my beans anytime. Morning. Majestic wild beasts in their natural habitat. Are you sunbathing? Are you sunbathing? Oh, look at the face. This shit is so stressful, trying to get the right angle to film that. Me, I'm happy with just double chin, but apparently I can't do that. Good morning. How is everyone? I have just showered and now am getting ready to leave the house, you know? Start the day. It is very sunny outside, but it's a bit windy, so not the vibe. I have Frankie sitting behind me over here, and he is... Claire and Jess have gone out, so he is not live, love, laughing at the moment. All done and dusted. I never quite ended the previous vlog, but I'm going to end it here and start a new one directly after this. But I hope you enjoyed watching a little install into my diaries, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!